Yeah, man. Jah Light step forward in the mystic time. The chant truth, consciousness, and elevation. This sun killing all. Yeah. Them talk about agenda 2030, future plan for the earth. Big policy, but a Jamaica me there, where the people still hurt. Some not even sure where the vision really work. Sustainable goals on the paper look clean, but the roadside youth still a fight to be seen. Climate change bust the coastline wide. The fishermen ball, cause the tide can't hide. Education for all, but the school still locked. And the little pitney hungry can't concentrate on class. Them say leave no one behind in the grand design, but me see one leave behind when me travel the line. So me ask Jah in a morning breeze, open up the people eyes please. Show me the truth behind all the decrees. Make Babylon fall to them knees. Jamaica till I rise, no matter the plan them divide. From the Gleaner to the blue mountain skies, we are all firm faith, we not compromise. Cause Jah Light still a shine in our eyes. 2030 vision might twist and turn, but the real liberation are the lesson we learn. A heart we clean and a fire we burn. That alone make righteousness return. This is smart city blueprint for Black River town. But if poor man can't live there, everything a fall down. Them talk digital ID fi track every step, but history show tech can be changed if miskept. Me no paranoid, me just reasoning deep. Cause sovereignty fragile like glass where you keep. Fi protect the culture with heritage we land. That's a mission when no global plan can come on. Water shortage rise, river them dry. Farmers a ball and them crops can't try. But agenda says zero hunger. By the date so me ask how that work when the silence suffocate. Jah Light call out for transparency, righteous governance through clarity. No secret meeting, no hidden policy. Jah kingdom no run for no opacity. Jamaica till I rise, no matter the plan them devise. From the Gleaner to the blue mountain skies, we are all firm faith, we not compromise. Cause Jah Light still a shine in our eyes. 2030 vision might twist and turn, but the real liberation are the lesson we learn. A heart we clean and a fire we burn. That alone make righteousness return. If the agenda pure, then guide the people sure. If the agenda vague, Jamaica must explore. We want unity, justice, peace. We want oppression to cease. But Jah Light knows it, without the roots, liberation incomplete. Me see the youth rise like fresh morning sun. Innovators, creators, every daughter, every son. If them listen the land and walk Jah way, them can't twist with spirit no matter what them say. We nation strong like the maroon drum. We ancestors whisper stand firm, don't run. Agenda or no agenda, me tell Babylon straight. A Jamaica destiny we write, not dictate. Jamaica still arise, no matter the plan them devise. From the Gleaner to the blue mountain skies, we spirit too mighty, feed them compromise. Cause Jah Light still a blazing our eyes. 2030 vision broke our main, but Jamaica future in a Jah and alone the pain. The righteous living on the message we send, and that a truth we can't bend.